This is the new toy for Blackie. Ano to? Dog saka chicken. So, let's see kung ano yung magugustuhan ni Blackie. Okay?
Oh, no.
Up. Let's pili.
Really?
Dog ang gusto niya. Playmate niya, playmate.
He's hugging it. He's hugging it. He got another dog.
Ayan, another dog pa. Oh. Ano gusto mo dyan, Blackie?
You got lots of toys.
Gusto niya rin yata yung chicken eh.
Yeah, he likes
Ay, gusto niya chicken. Kala niya food. Yan o. Yan si Blackie. Ayan si Blackie. Nak, yung damit mo. Nakikita sa video eh. Tumatayo siya oh. Gusto niya si chicken eh. Oh, he likes that. He likes that, yeah. Blackie boy. New toy.